it's important to stretch every day. This helps to improve your flexibility, mobility, and range of motion. Stretching also helps with recovery from exercise and can help prevent injury. But what should your daily stretching routine look like? Well, in this video, we'll go over a sample routine that you can do every day. All of these stretches should take 30 to 60 seconds, and we recommend doing them in a warm environment, meaning after some light cardio or in a hot shower or bath. If you have any injuries or limitations, make sure to modify these exercises or skip them entirely. All right, let's get started. The first stretch we recommend is for the calves. Sit on the floor with your legs extended and point your toes up towards your nose. Lean forward slightly to feel a stretch in your calves and hold for 30 to 60 seconds. You can use your hands for support, or you can do this next to a wall. This stretch is great for improving your ankle mobility, which is important for activities like running and jumping. It also helps to lengthen the calf muscles, which can help reduce the risk of injury. Make sure to do this stretch slowly and controlled, and don't bounce while you're doing it. Next, we have the quadricep stretch. Stand up straight and bring one foot back behind you. Bend your front knee and put your hands on your hips. Gently lean forward until you feel a stretch in the thigh area and hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat on the other side. This stretch is effective for lengthening the quadricep group of muscles, which are located on the front of the thigh. These muscles are used during many activities, including walking, running, and jumping. By stretching these muscles, you can help improve your range of motion and reduce the risk of injury. To make this stretch more challenging, you can try bending your knee further or leaning forward more. But make sure to only go as far as you're comfortable and never force yourself into a position that causes pain. Moving on, we have an overhead tricep stretch. Reach one arm overhead and bend your elbow so that your forearm is perpendicular to the ground. Use your other arm to pull your elbow towards your head until you feel a stretch in your upper arm and shoulder area. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds and repeat on the other side. This stretch effectively targets the triceps muscle group, which is located on the back of the upper arm. These muscles are used during many daily activities, such as brushing your teeth or putting on a jacket. Improving the range of motion in your triceps can help with everyday tasks and reduce the risk of injury during exercise. For a more intense stretch, you can try leaning to the side or rotating your arm in different directions. Next, we have a lat stretch. One arm behind your back and reach your other arm over your head. Use your other hand to pull your elbow towards your head until you feel a stretch in your back and shoulder area. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds and repeat on the other side. The latissimus dorsi muscle is a large muscle located in the back of the body. It's responsible for a variety of movements, including shoulder extension, adduction, and internal rotation. Stretching this muscle can help improve posture, reduce back pain, and increase shoulder mobility. To make this stretch more challenging, you can try bending your elbow further or leaning to the side. Again, make sure to only go as far as you're comfortable and stop if you experience any pain. Next, we have a chest stretch. Place your arms behind your back and clasp your hands together. Straighten your elbows and lift your head up to stretch your chest and shoulders. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. This stretch effectively targets the chest and shoulder muscles, which are often tight from sitting at a desk all day. Improving the range of motion in these muscles can help with posture, reduce shoulder pain, and improve overall upper body mobility. You can make this stretch more challenging by clasping your fingers together or by leaning forward. Now let's move on to the hip flexors. Bring one knee up towards your chest and grab your foot with your hands. If you can't reach your foot, use a towel or strap. Gently pull your knee towards your chest until you feel a stretch in the front of your thigh and hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat on the other side. The hip flexors are a group of muscles that are located in the front of the thigh. They're responsible for flexing the hip, which is an action that's used during activities like walking, running, and jumping. Stretching these muscles can help improve hip mobility, reduce the risk of injury, and relieve tightness and discomfort. To make this stretch more challenging, you can try lifting your opposite leg off the ground or bending your knee further. Again, make sure to only go as far as you're comfortable and stop if you experience any pain. Next, we have a piriformis stretch. Lie on your back with your legs extended. Cross one leg over your other leg so that your ankle is resting on the ground and your knee is bent. Put a pillow or a rolled-up towel under your crossed knee for added support. Gently pull your toes towards your nose until you feel a stretch in your glute and upper leg area. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds and repeat on the other side. The piriformis muscle is a muscle that's located in the buttocks. It can become tight from sitting for long periods of time or from overuse. Stretching this muscle can help relieve pain and discomfort in the buttocks area and improve range of motion. To make this stretch more challenging, you can try crossing your leg higher or pulling your toes towards your nose more aggressively. Now let's move on to the spine. Start in a tabletop position with your hands and knees directly under your shoulders and hips. Extend one leg back behind you while keeping the other leg bent in front of you. Lift your head up to look towards your extended leg and hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat on the other side. This stretch effectively targets the spine and can help improve posture, reduce back pain, and increase overall mobility. To make this stretch more challenging, you can try lifting your hips higher or extending your leg further. Finally, we have the child's pose. Get down on all fours and bring your hips back towards your heels. Place your forehead on the ground and relax your body. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. This last stretch can help calm your nervous system and promote relaxation. It's great for relieving stress and tension and can help prepare your body for sleep. This is also a great stretch for those with lower back pain. So there you have it. A sample daily stretching routine that you can do every day to improve your flexibility, mobility, and range of motion. Remember to hold each stretch for at least 30 seconds and never push yourself too far. Stop if you experience any pain or discomfort. Consistency is key when it comes to stretching, so try to stick to this routine as much as possible. You may not see results immediately, but over time you'll notice that you're more flexible and mobile than ever before. So give it a shot and let us know how it goes. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.